friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. Welcome. Mother's Day is coming up, so today's video is about Mother's Day gift idea. I made a veggie caddy the other day. It's inspired by Home Depot. I went to a Home Depot workshop the other day and they taught people how to make an awesome herb caddy. So it's very similar to this one. It's super easy to make. If you have an air gun, it probably takes less than half an hour. Also, materials very cheap. If you're including all the pots, $10, probably less than $10. If you don't want to include the pots and saucer, $5 in total. And today we're going to talk about how to make the veggie caddy. Here are all the materials that you need for this veggie caddy project. All the information and measurements are in the description below. First, you need to use sandpaper to sand all the boards that you have, including the railing sticks, because you want to make sure the surface of all the boards are smooth, so that the paint that you will apply later will stick to the boards better. Of course, the painting step is optional. Now, let me give you a short demo on how I put them together. I first put down the baseboard, then put the two sideboards against it. Each side used two railing sticks, one on the bottom and one flush to the top. Then you will put the other two on the other side. Alright, let's do it for real. To connect the sideboard to the baseboard, you need 3 nails to secure it. Be very careful when you are using hammer because we don't want to get hurt. So there are 3 nails, one goes to the left, one goes to the center, and one goes to the right. When you hammer in a nail, make sure it goes in straight. Due to the awkward angle, I decided to put it on the top of the baseboard and then nail it down. Once the guiding hole is created, put it back to the side because you don't want the nail to go in too deep and leave a hole in the baseboard. Now, go ahead and hammer one in the right and then one in the center. You will need to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Next, you will need to put one railing to the bottom and one flush to the top. You will need to hammer 4 nails for one railing, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Repeat the same step on the opposite side. Now, you will need to put one railing flush to the top and repeat the same steps on the other side. Now you have your veggie caddy! If you want to paint it, here are the additional materials you will need. I will put the information in the description below as well. This step is optional. Before you start painting, make sure to use some newspaper or ads to protect your working surface. Go ahead and put your veggie caddy and paint here. Here I'm using white color paint. I suggest use a small jar of paint. I was able to get this jar of paint for $1 from Lowe's clearance shelf in their painting department. That is a good place to go to find small amount of paint that is relatively cheap. Now I'm going to paint the outside and then inside of the veggie caddy, and then wait for it to dry. When it's dry, flip it over to paint the bottom and any area that you missed. If you would like, you can go ahead to do a second coat. I found that 1 coat is enough for me. Just for your reference, I made 2 veggie caddies and I was able to paint them all using only half jar of the paint. Now you have your veggie caddy for Mother's Day. Now you know how to make this easy veggie caddy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!